This is your typical Ubuntu 18.04 desktop. Now if you want traditional menu that appears on top left or top right where you can drop down, okay, in order to have it in Ubuntu, you go to Ubuntu software, it's called arc menu, install it. Okay, now you can see arc menu here. You can have it on left, okay, but it is overriding the traditional menu. If you want on left, you can auto hide. Go to settings, in dock just say auto hide on. Now you have arc menu on left. You can get settings here also. You can remove pin apps. Okay, now it is brand drop down menu. Some pinned application will appear on the top. Now you have like this. Then you can bring the menu like this. In category, you get traditional menu. Okay, thank you.